husband cheating on me?
Will I marry my future wife in the next 2 years?
Will I win the lotto this weekend?
Hi, I'm Aunty Tala.
I want a young love, I want a second son, I want the blink of an eye back from burning.
Oh, wow, Fasi, thanks for coming to see me. I'm so welcome that you come. You know, I love your programs. I see you on Auckland Guys, I see you on the radio, on the paper.
Thank you.
Even at night time when I'm looking through your window, I see you. Can you hold my hand? We have to hum together. Hum together. Now you have to go higher. Harmony, you take the seventh, I take the diminished fifth. Okay. Okay, this enough. A bit off. Okay, I can feel the tables singing. That's because I'm doing it. But it's going to take only 3 cards for me to tell you what your future is about to becoming. Oh, wow, look. The chariot.
The chariot.
You are talking about relationship? You know what the chariot means? In Tongan, the chariot means sarote. So you are going to marry a Tongan girl named Sarote. Yeah. And she's going to come and she's going to take you away and you guys are going to be like, take away.
She's going to be pretty?
Oh, she's going to be beautiful. No one has ever seen anyone like her. Yeah. You're still not happy, huh? Yeah, okay. You know I can make you happy. But we will talk about these things first. Your last card? Uh-oh. This is the card, the moon card. And what it is saying is that your girlfriend, she's going to be like the cow that jumped over the moon.
So she's going to be impossible?
No, she's going to be like a cow. I have to feed you. Well, it was great talking with Fasi, but I must say, I feel sorry for him. Lucky he came where I could tell him the truth through the cards. If he knew that he was going to end up with a cow, you know, that type of animal, he should have chose me, because I'm a cool cow. Wow.